Welcome to the Treato Clinics Dashboard. Easily track your current and upcoming queue and check your daily earnings, all in one place. Let's head over to the queue page for a complete real-time breakdown of your daily OPD queues. Simply select any date on the calendar to view past or upcoming patient slots. You'll see all your bookings side by side, whether patients booked through the Treato mobile app or registered directly at your clinic reception. Every appointment is clearly labeled, so you always know exactly who's next in line. All right, let's take a look at how easy it is to add walk-in patients. Simply click on the walk-in button to create a brand new booking. To get started, search for the patient by entering their name or mobile number. If they already have an existing Treato account, their details will pop up automatically. If they're completely new, simply type in their name and phone number to register them on the spot. From here, you can select an available time slot from future dates, or pick a custom time slot for today's schedule. And if a patient arrives at the clinic needing urgent care right away, you can use the Force Book option. This instantly creates an appointment for the current time, keeping your queue smooth and accurate. Looking at the check-in section, you can see our newly created appointment. Once the patient arrives at the clinic, simply click Check-in or drag them over to the waiting list. When they enter the chamber, mark them as in consult, so everyone stays updated in real time. When finished, click Done to complete the visit, or click RX to jump straight into our digital prescription pad. All right, let's jump over to the bookings page. Look, if you've ever had to dig through endless paperwork or messy spreadsheets just to find an old patient appointment, you are going to love how simple this is. Right at the top, you can seamlessly flip between past records, upcoming schedules, or just focus on today's list. Looking for someone specific? Just type a name, phone number, or token ID into the search bar. Boom! Their entire booking history, scheduled time, and consulting doctor pop right up. You can also filter the view by individual doctors on your team or sort by status, using clear color-coded badges to see who completed their visit. Now, let's take a look at the schedules page. Here, your recurring schedules are organized across the 7 days of the week, meaning your availability loops weekly based on days, not rigid dates. To build out a day, just click Plus Add under any day of the week. A drawer opens where you can set your start and end hours, define slot durations, like 15 or 30 minutes, and configure buffer times. Make sure your hours don't overlap with existing video or clinic sessions. Then hit Create Session to lock it in. Now, here's a feature you're really going to appreciate when life happens: the Leave option. Need time off? Click Leave at the top to block out specific date ranges. The platform automatically tags those days with a yellow leave badge, preventing patients from booking during your time away. Change of plans? Managing leaves is super flexible. You can edit the date range on the fly, remove individual days, or hit Cancel Leave to open your calendar back up. Best of all, if patients were already booked on those days, Treato handles it for you, processing refunds or letting them easily reschedule for a later date. Total peace of mind for both you and your practice. Next up, let's look at the slots page. It might look a bit busy at first glance, but it is built on a very simple principle. This is where you can manually block or unblock specific time slots on the fly. Whether your daily schedule shifts, you need to step out for an errand, or you just want a quick coffee break, you have total control. You can even block out an entire day's schedule in one click. And finally, we have the dedicated leaves page. We've already seen how leaves work, but this screen gives you a clean overview to track all your active, upcoming, and past leaves in one organized spot. Now, let's take a look at the members page. This is where you manage your entire clinic team, including staff members and additional doctors. You have full control here. You can easily remove team members or invite new staff whenever your clinic expands. To invite someone new, simply click the blue Invite button at the top right corner. Select their role, whether they are joining as a doctor or staff, and enter their registered mobile number. Keep in mind, they must already have an active Treato account to receive the invitation prompt. Once sent, it moves to your pending list. All they need to do is open the Treato app on their phone and accept the request to officially join your clinic.